All right, now, here's my colors that I brought. Different possibilities. Now I gotta see, what do I like? Do I like the orange? So do that.
Quick question.
Yeah,
How about using double-sided, double stick tape
you could.
for the ribbon?
Yeah,
Could
you
you
could do
double-sided instead of hot glue?
Yep,
Double-sided tape?
yep. Just,
Very
or glue dots.
Glue dots?
Glue dots are
Excellent.
great.
All right.
They're, I mean,
Okay.
the glue sticks are crazy cheap and
Right.
glue guns are cheap.
Yeah.
These not so much,
Right.
right?
Right.
So
But double-sided tape would work.
double-sided tape would work.
Cool.
Let's see how I like the blue. The blue also gives it's a grosgrain ribbon, which has the little lines through it. So it's kind of a, ooh, I kind of like that. You guys like that? It's kind of cool.
That is very cool.
Yeah? This is kind of boring, I think. Yeah, that's boring. I mean, that would work.
Yep.
Depends on what the cake would be like going on it. But I kind of
Right.
like the blue, so I do the
Very
blue.
cool.
Believe it or not, I only have like one drawer situation that has ribbons in it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Doris says, I'm already thinking about how many less fingerprints there'll be on, in fondant-covered boards.
Right? Thank you. Yes. Okay, so this is like, I don't know if you can see this, Scott, but this has like little rosettes on it that's black.
Okay.
Super cool ribbon. I love this stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, it's way cool. And then of course you have the metal ribbon.
That is very cool.
See? See what I
That's
mean?
very cool.
Saw that, I went,
Gotta have that.
get out of town. And then there's the thinner stuff. See how little I have left of it because I've used it a lot? It's so cool.
Huh.
Crazy cool. They make chalkboard ribbon. Just so you know.
Wow.
Just saying.
Wow.
Yep. Haven't used that yet, but I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I hope to
Okay.
use it soon. I
So
bought
this,
some.
This first tab goes right on the
Right on top of
brown.
the other one.
Okay.
That's hot. I even have asbestos hands and that's hot. There, my thumb's better. Okay, so let that cool and stay anchored, right?
Okay, show the camera where you're putting it. That's right smack down in the
Right.
middle?
Yep, right in the
Okay,
middle.
so you're lining it right
Lining
in
it
the middle.
up, right?
Okay, and that one's not see-through. This isn't
This
transparent
is
at all.
not transparent,
The
so
blue
this is
stuff
gonna
not.
hide. You see the kind of goobers coming through,
Right, sure.
right? Those are kind of ugly. You don't want that.
We just didn't know the official term, goobers.
Yeah,
Okay,
goobers,
those
for
are
sure.
goobers. Hot
That is
glue,
the accurate.
hot glue goobers.
Now, when you're gluing, don't go too far.
A wee bit at a time?
Go like, I don't know, a sixth of the way around the whole thing.
Sixth. Okay,
You know,
a bit and,
isn't that about a sixth?
yeah, sure. Yeah,
I was thinking as I was saying, I'm like, was that
Who
a
am I gonna
fifth or
argue?
a sixth? I don't know.
it's up to them. If they want to go a fifth, they can. Fifth or a sixth. Go a bit.
Depends on whether also if you're using cool glue or super hot glue, because that will determine whether or not it stays warm enough to stick the ribbon or not. So
Yep.
there is a perhaps situation right there.
Yep, our yummy pals are saying the blue is perfect.
Yes.
Yep, and
Like that validation.
like the blue better than the orange.
Yep.
Pops on the brown.
Yep. Me too.
Absolutely.
And we all agree.
Well, they're getting it. They can see the. They can see,
See
your
the
point.
art in
They can
it.
see it. Yeah. How long do you think this would take you normally, or even one of your interns normally, to make something like what we're working on right now, start to finish?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. For an entire new level of coolness
Yeah.
for the overall product.
15 minutes. This
Wait.
also makes your cakes look way more expensive.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just saying.
The full presentation. Yeah.
Yeah. Elevates the cost look. You know, it's that perceived value
Perceived value. That's
thing.
right.
You
Yep.
hear about in marketing class.
Yep. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, cutting that off right where I cut off the brown.
So
Ah,
a little,
man, what's wrong with
little
my
extra
scissors?
tab,
Yeah,
little overlap. Okay.
that over there, that over there. Okay. So, and you know, those little goofy glue strings, you can just like get rid of those. All right, so now I'm going to bend my tab in half. Scott, can you see that okay?
Yeah,
Right there?
we've got a good view, yeah.
Sorry, let me put my glue right here.
A lot of sound effects going.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh,
Okay.
you want a good crease there?
Yeah. Now, if you want to get extra fancy, you can put pretty, you know, headed like corsage pins and make a little button action look. You can do that. For some wedding ones, I do that.
Would you roll it? Would you just roll on that part, squish it?
You can. Sure.
Just to get a good crease?
Yeah.